Welcome guys to a new video. Today we have to race, short distance race from 221 kilometers. The long distance race was cancelled, so we put all the birds on the shorter one. It was normally we fly on Saturday, but because of the bad weather it was moved to the Sunday. So the birds can arrive in half an hour, we shall see. So we're gonna watch the birds and hopefully we get the early birds, so we'll see. I put the cages open. That's a hen from one of the races. The other two I closed inside of the cage, and when their partner arrived I will release them. So the birds will arrive soon. So we're gonna wait the birds outside. Go. Go. Kom. Kom. Go. Go. Kom. Kom. Go. Kom. So guys, first bird we got home was this one, 915, first on the list. So that's great that we get her as first. Second one is the 920, this blue bird. Third one, 970. This one, right after that one we got this one, 215. We have another one at home. 976. So for this race it went a lot better than last week, so that's great. We also got the first on the list, so that's also great. Here you have the 173, was the 5th pigeon, so we got 6 at home, and we had 13 in the basket, so we still need 7 more pigeons and then we have them all at home, but we got one on time, so that's great. We will see on what place, I'll check later on. There were 28,000 pigeons in the race, department 10 and 11, so great race. There we have another one, a tiger gristle. So guys, we got 9 birds, the 13 at home. I will feed the birds now and then when the other ones are getting back home, they also can eat. And I will in the afternoon I will put the hens away from the male birds. Some have laid an egg, but that's not a problem. So the first one was the 915, great bird. I will show you the bird right now. She also flew as a young one, 65 in the department. For now it's between 200 and 250 plays in the department, so that's great against 14,000 birds, more than 14,000. We got 28,000 in total in the race of department 10 and 11, but we only race for our department, of course. So I will show you this bird right now. So there was the first one. I think she will be around 250 in the department against 14,000, so that's a great result. The wing, the other one, it's a nice bird. Still on 10 old flights, so that's great. She already flew 65 against, I think it was around 12,000 birds. It was a young one. For this year she's a yearling, so great result today. I hope she will get more like this, and maybe even in the top 10 of the department, but we will see. Great bird to race with. She is a youngster from that pair in the middle. Also the male bird's a great bird. He flew a 3rd in the department, so that's great. So there was the first one. So we still need 4 more birds and then we got them at home. But for now I'm gonna prepare the food. We can only give the pigeon booster over the food and then I'm gonna feed them. We just give them a lot, maybe too much, but they have to eat. Because for next week we got, it's Thursday, we're gonna basket the birds again for a distance of I think around 400. So they have to be up and running right away, so we have to feed them some good stuff, so that's what we're gonna do right now. So guys, the first bird we got on 2 o'clock, and 1 hour later we have them all at home, so that's great. So we have all the birds at home, so I'm gonna feed them, and I'm also gonna change the water bowl. We're gonna add something in it, and then everything is ready. So that's what we're gonna do next. The first one 915, second one 920, third one 970, and so on and on. I think we will have 8 or 9 birds in the points, I hope, but we will see. At least we got them all home within an hour, so that's great. Let's hope for next week that we're also getting them all in 1 hour at home, or maybe earlier, will be even better. So we feed the male birds. Also we separate the hens from the males and we feed them separately. that pair as their food inside of the breeding cage. I also think we can bring those youngsters, so I'm also going to do that. Male birds are eating. Here we have the hens also eating. I think they're almost done. I feed them 30 grams. Will be enough for today and the next morning. So that will be great. They will be separated until Thursday. Then we're gonna basket the birds again for another race. It will be chalons and champagne, around 400. So we're gonna give the birds some good energy with them. So I hope we will have a great race as well then. So we had all the birds at home within the hour, so that's great. So guys, and also that was the video. I hope you liked it. Please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. You can do it down below. Would appreciate it. See you on the next one. Bye guys.